welcome back to my channel. It's Heather from Dimoda Boutique. I'm a part-time Poshmark, eBay, Mercari reseller, and I'm back with another Thredup unboxing. This one is a shoe unboxing, and I believe it's 15 pieces. And I'm gonna dig right in. I did just open up a bag rescue box on Friday, so be sure to check that out. Alrighty, so let's just dig right in. These are Chinese laundry flats. They're like a brown lace. The bottoms aren't in terrible condition. Size 10. It's kind of like a see-through, I don't know if you're able to tell, like see-through lace there. That's interesting. This is a brand I've never heard of, Soft Walks. But these look like in brand new condition. And someone definitely bought these from like a TJ Maxx or Plato's or Goodwill because it's written on the bottom. They have this really interesting footbed, but it's just a little sandal, which is good because we're going into spring, summer. And a good comfort shoe is always good. Crown by Born. These are in great condition too. Also, I will be checking to make sure they're both the same size when I'm listing. But these are just leopard print calf hair flats. Alright, what are you? Oh, some Coach heels. These are kind of like a classic. There's wear, but they're a tweed stacked heel. The hardware front. These are a size 9. These look to be in good condition too. So far, nothing horrendous. I got another box under that I didn't do an opening for, and that one was kind of bad. I did get Hoka sneakers, and that kind of saved it, but that's about it. These cute 9 West. These are brand new. There's no wear on the bottoms of this. These cute 9 West ankle strap heels. The zip back. These are a size. What a great question, Heather. Maybe that's the problem. I don't have a size on them. Oh, right there. 8. They're an 8 and a leather upper. Just a cute little strappy heel. And then we have some Puma sneakers. I can honestly say I've never sold Puma sneakers before. These look like okay condition. The tops look better than the soles per usual, but they're just like the green little classic Puma. Size 7. Yeah, 7. So there's a good range of sizes too so far. What are you? Ooh, some Madewell boots. Okay. Where's your friend? These are 1937, which is Madewell, brown heeled ankle boot. The leather is kind of nicked, but I'm gonna try. I have, it's not the Dr. Martens, it's Kiwi leather conditioner. And these are a size 8. There is wear to the soles, but nothing too bad. Fan of those. These are just Aerosol open toe strappy sandals, chunky heel, size 8. So yeah, general sizes. Oof. These are some vintage 9 West. I will still list these. They're in good condition. Well, they're in okay condition. Size 8, that's a good size. And Y2K is really coming back. So we'll give it a shot. I might try those on Depop. I don't sell on Depop that much. But that seems like where that would probably do the best. All right. These are Memphisito. And I'm pretty sure I just saw someone put these on a shoe bolo, but I could be confusing it with someone else. but they're a size 37. They look like they're brand new. Memphisito leather upper sandals. So I'll have to do some comps on those. Here's some Minnetonka flip-flops, which I didn't know Minnetonka made sandals until I just sold a pair, I think for like 25 bucks, this past week. But they were kind of more of like the caged in sandal. These are more of a flip-flop. Good condition. A little bit of wear on the footbed. And they're a size 9. These are Chatties, which I'm pretty sure they just sell these at Walmart. So these will probably just go to Goodwill. I mean, they're in good condition and they're still usable. They're just not really anything anyone's looking for. Anyone wants them, they're $9.10, purple, studded. If you let me know, I just pay shipping and they're yours. Let's see what these are. So these are Nike running shoes. They're in good condition. Look like they were worn a couple of times. What size are you? Size 9. It's a pink, gray. I've been listing regular Nike for like 20, 25 bucks depending on the condition. These are in better condition, so I'll probably list around there too. And then some Lulu heels, which I like selling Lulus. These look tinier. These are a 5.5, so that's going to be a little bit more difficult to sell. But that's a high block heel with this ankle strap. It's called the Tailor, and it's faux suede. So cute. All right, last pair. Oh my, some Jeffrey Campbell's, guys. This is a good box. I was really disappointed by my last box, and I was like, should I try again? But I watched all these YouTube videos of people getting crazy good stuff that I was like, let's risk it. If you throw the dice enough times, it's about to come up you, right? So this is my second shoebox by them, and this is so much better than the last one. Anyway, so they're the chunky boots by Jeffrey Campbell, the zip back. There's some scuffing on the toes. And some wear to the heels. They're 7.5. Let's see what style you are. On the tongue. They're the Everwell. The Everwell boot. Oh, those are so cute. Okay, so I think our best finds in here are these guys and the Madewell boots. I do want to double check those soft beds and the Memphisitos because I do think those are good brands too, but maybe I'm wrong. And then my receipt's just in the bottom. But that's it, guys. Let me know your favorite find from my haul. I will have this all listed within the week. If you're interested in anything, just feel free to DM me. You can find me on Instagram at d_moda_posh. And I will get back to you very quickly. All right. Have a great week, everyone. Bye.